Okay, I know I copied Big Tunes a little bit, but he told me I can copy like his video because I don't know, they get a lot of views, but he said that even ask him in in the comments and he will say yes. Trust me guys, I swear he told me that I can use one of his videos. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to get the new fans back. Now you just go to this one building, like it's at the spawn, and then you just click this. Now I already got it, but I'm just gonna show you like if I got it or not, because I'm not saying this is not fake. Okay, this is real. This is 100% real. Okay, you just go to a game called Vance, I think. I'm gonna leave it in the link, and yeah, you get the item, and that's it. And you'll find it in your menu, and that's it. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.